How to mix Sevin Concentrate Bug Killer. Gardening can be an enjoyable way to spend your free time, but pesky insects can turn your favorite hobby into a disappointing chore. Insecticides such as Sevin Concentrate can reduce the number of pests in your garden without harming delicate plants. Sevin contains carbaryl, one of the most effective broad-spectrum insecticides available to home gardeners. Mixing Sevin Concentrate properly is essential to achieving the results you want. Things you'll need: measuring spoons, 1 gallon pump garden sprayer. Determine the plants on which Sevin will be sprayed. The instructional packet included with the concentrate outlines how strong the concentrate needs to be for a wide variety of plants, so read the directions carefully for proper concentration. Measure the proper amount of Sevin Concentrate with a measuring spoon, and pour it into a pump garden sprayer. For example, the label indicates that the proper amount for spraying garden vegetables is 1.5 ounces of concentrate per gallon of water. 1 ounce of liquid is approximately 2 tablespoons, so you would add approximately 3 tablespoons of concentrate to the gallon sprayer and fill it with water to kill pests on your vegetables. Screw the lid onto the sprayer, and shake it gently to mix. Pump the handle up and down to build air pressure inside the sprayer, and squeeze the trigger while guiding the nozzle back and forth to coat your plants with a thin layer of Sevin.